It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Durian ice cream, ice dessert. It doesn't even say ice cream. Dairy free.
Oh, it's dairy free. Yeah, you can have some too.
Dairy free durian ice dessert.
Oh.
From Durian
No
Fruit.
dairy, that's less scary.
Yellow.
Alright, try a bite.
We ate some, that was pretty good.
It's hard. It's hard.
Yeah, now the freezer's working.
Yeah, I need help to get a bite.
You can't get it. Maybe it has to sit a bit.
I'll try that. Good. Very good. But now I can't eat any more for a while.
How's the ice cream?
I'm gonna try mine.
Alright, take a bite.
I can't. It's rock hard. Just like peaches.
Peaches? How is it, James?
Delicious.
So you think you want to try the durian fruit?
Sure.
Say, where's it at? Bring it on.
Where's it at? Yeah, where's it?
How is it?
I don't really like it.
No? What's it taste like?
Like smelly socks, jelly bean.
Ooh, the Jelly Belly smelly socks. Let's see what's in it. Water, coconut milk, sugar, durian meat, and a bunch of other stuff. You don't really like it, but you're still eating. You gonna finish it up? So it's so bad you just keep taking more bites?
I just need more taste. And then
Oh.
I could eat something else and then it'll be way better
Oh, okay.
than usual.
So we tried the popsicles. Now we're gonna try freeze-dried durian.
Please, durian. What's durian?
Oh, it comes in
Durian.
2 pouches.
Ooh. Yum. Durian. Durian. Durian.
Durian.
What's in it?
Durian.
All right, who wants to smell?
Me.
What do you think?
Smells Ew. It smells bad.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
We'll give everybody a piece.
It feels just like the ice cream.
What ice cream?
Foam?
Oh, freeze-dried ice cream?
Yeah, freeze-dried ice cream.
All right, give it a try.
Ooh, that's good.
Two.
Okay, that tastes like garlic.
Garlic.
It has an aftertaste of garlic. Not good.
Garlic.
It tastes like
I need
umaboshi
my water
combined
bottle.
with
Do you want to spit it out?
something like that durian ice cream combined with
Let me get you your water bottle.
I would say it's a thumb
I'll
in
eat
the
more,
middle.
but you slap it down. I'll eat more.
I'll say it's a thumb in the middle. I'll eat more too. Wait, is there any more?
All right, so what's our thought on durian? Thinking about the popsicles and this.
I'd say the popsicles are better.
But these are
These are thumb in the middle. Popsicles are thumbs up.
So we would buy a durian fruit and just try the actual fruit. It's about this big. It's a huge fruit. And
I need fruit.
you need fruit, but not durian.
Fruit.
So we found it at the store. It was $6 per pound.
I need fruit.
How many pounds was it?
I need
6
fruit, Mommy.
pounds. So we weren't willing to spend that much on it.
Mom.
You need some fruit? This is fruit.
Fruit.
You need food? Some better food than durian? Durian's not good enough food for you?
I'll
say it's okay.